today's question, I think goes to you, Darren.
Okay.
How is SAP adapting BI to the cloud?
How is SAP adapting BI to the cloud? Okay. Well, so SAP came out with something called SAP Analytics Cloud. So I've used it quite a bit. I've done some demos for customers. I think it's a really good tool with a lot of potential. And I say a lot of potential because they still have some work to do on it. I think, though, that the biggest thing that they came up with just recently was doing an SAP data warehouse for the cloud, and that was something that was missing from, I guess, their suite of offerings, so to speak. So I'm really happy that they chose to do that. Something that any customer that's moving their modules, their FICO, whatever, IS oil and gas, anything into the cloud, they should be considering doing a data warehouse. And again, you guys have heard me say this before. You can't get away from the work and you can't get away from the money, which means that even though you're going to the cloud, you still have to prepare your data. You have to have good governance around your data, especially with things like GDPR. And you really want to make sure that you look into this as a solution as opposed to having something on premise from managing that perspective. That's really going to change your OPEX, CAPEX model. And I think they've come a long way with it. So I'm pretty excited about it.
That's great. So what would be the biggest takeaway?
Well, the biggest takeaway too, I think, and SAP might not like this a lot, but I think they're going to get there, is definitely go with the SAP Cloud Data Warehouse. Look at SAP Analytics Cloud and see if that's right for you. I still see some of the on-premise solutions from an analytical perspective as being really good choices. And eventually they'll get there. But again, it depends on your environment and the different types of business users you have and what works for them. But that's just absolutely something to look at, is the cloud data warehouse. I think that's going to be pretty exciting.
No, absolutely. Sounds great.
Good.
Thanks, Darren.
You bet.
And thank you for watching today's QB Questions. Have a great day and stay safe.
Bye.
Bye.